We're thrilled to announce that applications for Baltic Ventures Launchpad 2026 are officially open.
Launchpad 2026 is an 8-week programme designed to support founders based here in the Liverpool City Region.
You will learn to validate your product, connect with customers, and tell your story with confidence, plus an opportunity to win up to £25,000.
My experience of Launchpad was amazing. The Baltic team was so supportive of me and my business, and they really helped me make sure that I was focused on the right things.
We understand the challenges that early stage founders face. That's why Launchpad supports you to develop actionable strategies showing investors and customers the potential that your business holds.
From workshops that refine your value proposition to personalized one-to-one coaching sessions that accelerate your growth, Launchpad is here to help you succeed.
Being a part of the community, it felt like I had an extended team that was always backing me and supporting me, and all of the other founders really wanted each other to succeed as well.
Throughout the programme, you'll have access to drop-in mentoring sessions, Ask Me Anything events, and a strong peer-to-peer community.
At Baltic Ventures, we believe in the power of community. So if you're a tech founder based here in the Liverpool City Region and are looking to transform your business, make sure to apply to Launchpad 2026.
Definitely apply for it. I've already recommended it to everyone I know. It's been the best thing that I did. It's really helped me to understand where the value lies in my business. It's helped me to focus on my mission and my vision.
If you want to be part of a hyper-local tech program with a global reach, and if you're lucky enough to be accepted, you'll never look back.